How to add credit card as payment method on Shopify. Hi everybody, if you're wanting that, you can follow the steps. So you can either go ahead and access the application or the website and open it up. Once you do, you should be finding an interface. So what you can do in order to add up your payment method is you can head over to the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the app. You should be finding it right in the bottom right corner. You can tap on it. Once you do, this menu appears. Now from the given menu, go ahead and select the sixth option, which is known as settings. Tap on it. And once you do, this opens up. Now from the given menu, you can head over to store settings. And under here, you should be finding option that says payments. Right under users and permissions, you can tap on it. Once you do, here you will be given a payment method. So all you gotta do is, let's just wait for the page to load up completely. After that, here you should be finding option that says add payment method. You can tap on it, and from there, you can search for the payment method. For example, credit card. So go ahead and do that. For example, this credit card. You can use the credit card of your bank. Once it is selected, it gives you checking out method. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts, and once everything is added, you can use credit card as a payment method in Shopify. So that is how you add credit card on Shopify following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.